Good morning, fellow prospectors. Sunlight from the gray. Alright, if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and come visit some more, because I always have something interesting that I keep doing. It's not just about gold, but mostly. Anyway, this little basket shelf I've had in my bathroom, and I'm redecorating the bathroom, and look what you see here. How many of you see what I see? Anyway, I can see a trommel with possibly that being flattened out a little bit and turned into like the first sluice part, and these side pieces can be salvaged for something. At any rate, guys, put on your thinking caps and show me or tell me how you think I should go about motorizing and making this. Here's my problem. I have a real hard time trying to figure out how to get water to go through. You know, I've seen trommels where the water's spraying a mile a minute out of the middle tube here. I made this one, and if you ever make one of these, make sure you've got new buckets, because these all warped. It never did quite work right, as you can see down there. And this part here, sketchy as heck, and the dirt's always coming off the side, so I've got to take this apart eventually and redo it. I'd love to motorize this one, but because it's nice and tall and everything. At any rate, then I thought, well, leave that one the way it is and make a small one, because I've got everything. It's already punch plated. It's fragile, probably. I mean, I don't know how long it'll last, but who cares if it even lasts a season. It's something I had, and I like to use what you got. Don't buy stuff. So I've got too many trees, so this is how I have to keep the sun. I got to keep moving along, catching the sun for my plants. This is our new wood splitter. It runs on Vicky Orion power. You push these like this, and it goes like that. When you want to come back, you just do that. I use this to take up some extra space. This is cool. It was $123 versus a $1,000 motorized one or a $300 electric one, and just try to rent one in wood splitting season. So I got to do all of that. But I want to do that also. So if you have some great ideas on what to do with this to turn it into a little motorized, you know, I'm talking about an electric motor. Now I have roller skate. I still have some roller skate wheels that have bearings in them, and I was thinking I could use the roller skate wheels, rollerblade wheels, and have them on something and motorize those so that it turns on the roller skate wheels. I think I got 4 of them. That's as far as my brain will go, other than I see a cool little motorized trommel / high banker thing here, because I've got all the sluices and everything. Yeah, I can see this turning into something really special. Please help me. I know you guys have got some real serious thought processes about how to do DIY. Here's a good one, because I like DIY, and unless I screw it up taking it away from, it's just tack welded, I think. No, it's got little clips here, so maybe I can do it without wrecking anything. Yeah, see that? It's coming off already right there. Yeah, I can see that. If you can see that too, just put a comment in the comment section on what you would do to make that into a motorized trommel. Hey, thank you very much. Remember, like, subscribe, and that stuff that I hate constantly saying, but I guess in order to get subscriptions, one has to be redundant. I don't know. I love you all. Bye-bye.